Welcome aboard the quiz boat. Get ready for an exciting quiz.
Which famous Indian chess player is shown in this picture? Anand, Humpy, Harika, Ramesh. The answer is Anand. Correct. This is Viswanathan Anand. Which Indian chess master is known as the Lightning Kid? Viswanathan, Humpy, Manuel Aaron, Ramesh Babu. The answer is Viswanathan. Correct. Anand earned the nickname due to his rapid gameplay. Koneru Humpy was once the youngest woman grandmaster. Is this true? Correct. She earned this title at just 15 years old in 2002. Here's something fascinating. Chess originated in India as a game called Chaturanga over 1500 years ago. Amazing, isn't it? Which city is home to the first chess academy in India? Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. The answer is Chennai. Correct. Chennai is the hub of Indian chess development. Which young Indian grandmaster is shown in this picture? Pragnanandha, Gukesh, Arjun, Vidit. The answer is Gukesh. Correct. This is Gukesh, one of India's brightest chess talents. Gukesh broke whose record to become the youngest Indian grandmaster? Anand, Pragnanandha, Shashi Kiran, Humpy. The answer is Pragnanandha. Correct. Gukesh broke Pragnanandha's record in 2019. Here's something fascinating. India has produced over 75 grandmasters and the number is growing. Amazing, isn't it? Arrange the events in Viswanathan Anand's career. World Champion, Chess Olympiad debut, first GM title, national win. Here is the correct sequence. Anand's career followed this journey to stardom. Chess originated in India over 1500 years ago. Is this true? Correct. The game of chess originated in India as Chaturanga. Who is known as the Tiger of Madras in chess? The answer is Viswanathan Anand. It's Viswanathan Anand, a true legend of Indian chess. Here's something fascinating. Viswanathan Anand was the first sportsperson in India to receive the Padma Vibhushan. Amazing, isn't it? Arrange Gukesh's milestones in the correct order. Wins Chess World Cup match. Becomes a Grandmaster. Breaks 2700 elo. Plays against Carlsen. Here is the correct sequence. Gukesh's achievements in chess follow this amazing timeline. Viswanathan Anand won the World Chess Championship 5 times. Is this true? Absolutely true. Anand won the championship in 2000, 2007, 2008, 2010, and 2012. At what age did Gukesh become a Grandmaster? 12, 13, 14, 15. The answer is 12. Correct. Gukesh became a Grandmaster at the age of 12 years and 7 months in 2019. Here's something fascinating. India's Pragnanandha became the second youngest Grandmaster in history at just 12 years old. Amazing, isn't it? Who was the first Indian to become a chess Grandmaster? Viswanathan Anand, Manuel Aaron, Vishay. The answer is Viswanathan. Correct. Viswanathan Anand became India's first Grandmaster in 1988. Which major chess tournament did Gukesh dominate in 2023? The answer is Chess World Cup. Correct. Gukesh shone in the 2023 Chess World Cup. Gukesh is the youngest Indian player to break which elo rating barrier? The answer is 2700. Correct. Gukesh achieved this incredible milestone in 2023. Here's something fascinating. Gukesh is the third youngest Grandmaster in chess history, achieving the title at 12 years and 7 months. Amazing, isn't it? Which young chess prodigy became a Grandmaster at age 12 in 2021? Pragnanandha, Arjun, Sagar, Nihal. The answer is Pragnanandha. Awesome! Ramesh Babu Pragnanandha achieved this incredible feat. Pragnanandha is the youngest player to defeat Magnus Carlsen. Is this true? That's true. He beat Carlsen at age 16 in 2022. India's first chess tournament was held in 1850. Is this true? Not quite. The first Indian chess tournament happened in the 20th century. Here's something fascinating. In 2023, Gukesh broke into the top 20 players worldwide, becoming the youngest Indian to do so. Amazing, isn't it? Here is your question. What is the Sanskrit name of chess? Chaturanga, Chaturvarnya, Chaturyuga, Chaturdham. What do you think is the answer? Write your answer in the comments below. How did you do? Let us know in the comments how many you got right. Ready for more challenges? Like and subscribe to Quizboard for more fun quizzes. Thanks for watching.